When the shadows fade, will the heroes rise? What will be our fate? We'll see in time. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it
Si Christian Paul ay nagkakilala kami sa work, sa office.
OJT ako noon sa Bureau of Fire as criminology intern. And siya naman is personnel siya ng isang section doon.
First impression, mabait. Kasi ang unang date namin is inaya niya ako sa Quiapo Church. Yun lang, nagsimba. Tapos, kumain lang. At si Christian Paul ay gentleman.
I love you more than words can say. In every moment, every day, you're my heart, my soul, my truth. I love you, I love you, I love you. Through the highs and lows, wherever life and love may go, you're my forever, my always true. I love you, I love you.
First impression ko sa kanya, syempre professional, magtrabaho, mabait, and minsan mataray kasi pag may mga instruction siya na hindi namin nagagawa ng tama, nagagalit siya kasi uulit niya naman sa umpisa. So yun. Ngayon na ikakasal na kami, doon ko napatunayan na hindi pala siya ganon kataray. Kabaligtaran pala nung mga pinakita sa amin nung OJT pa lang kami.
Ang memorable naming dalawa is nung nalaman kong buntis ako. Nung inabot ko sa kanya yung PHT kit na positive. Pero tulog siya. Be, good luck sa atin mamaya and I love you.
I love you, I love you, I love you. Through the highs and lows, wherever life and love may go, you're my forever, my always true. I love you, I love you. If the world were to fade away.
So ang ipapangako nyo, Paul and Manels, ay panghabang buhay na pagsasama. Hindi pwedeng testing lang po ng 3 years o 5. Pag tinanong ko kay mami, do you take, Manals, do you take Paul as your husband? I do, yes. Yes, Father. Susubukan ko po ng 3 years. Walang ganon. Paul, hindi pwedeng susubukan lang. Testing. When you say yes, when you say I do, it means for a lifetime. Paninindigan, paipaglalaban, pangahawakan mo yung love sa isa't isa.
In every moment, every day, you're my heart, my soul, my truth. Through the highs and lows, wherever life and love may go.
Message ko sa wife ko, kay Marinel. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings. Gabayan ka palagi ng Diyos sa mga pangarap na gusto mong matupad. Dito lang ako sa likod mo, laging nakasuporta, laging nakasubaybay, laging handa kang protektahan sa anumang oras.
I don't remember what day it was. I didn't notice what time it was. All I know is that I fell in love with you. And if all my dreams come true, I'll be spending time with you. Every day's a new day in love with you. With each day comes a new way of loving you. Every time I kiss your lips, my mind starts to wander. And if all my dreams come true, I'll be spending time with you. Oh, I love you more today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. I love you more today than yesterday, but darling, not as much as tomorrow. Tomorrow's day means springtime's just a day away. Cupid, we don't need you now, be on your way. I thank the Lord for love like ours that grows ever